girlies. Is insecurities endless, or are you a person living with insecurities? Because you know what, girlies, growing up, I live like having insecurities since my teenager years, because I thought it was just like a phase for me. But then, until now, I still have a lot of insecurities. And I think growing up, dun na rin nag-build yung insecurities mo sa mga bagay noon. The things that you can see, but now, the things that you can also feel, nagiging insecure ka na rin those things. But for today's podcast, we're gonna talk about insecurities. I know last episode I told you that we will gonna do slum book, but it's too forward, I think, to do slum books. And some of the question in slum books are we're gonna talk about it soon in any episodes or in any season. But yeah, but uh, as of now, we're gonna talk about insecurities. So you know what, girlies? This is Make It Happen Girl, a 10-minute podcast here in TikTok or in YouTube and now in Spotify. I told you I just made a Spotify account. Account for this one. So, girlies. And I'm Doser, a person with a lot of things to say. So yeah, do we have the same situation now? We still have a lot of insecurities in ourselves, right? Or like sometimes you question yourself na parang, do I still have insecurities, or I just live with it? Do you know what I mean? Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko na parang or nasanay ka na lang din talaga na may insecurities ka kaya parang hindi mo na siya minamind na insecurity. Gets ba? So yeah. So let's talk about my insecurities, okay, girlies? So first one, skin. Kung makikita niyo sa video, parang hindi naman perfect yung skin ko, but hindi naman siya ganun kalala. But when I tell you, girlies, ang dami kong napagdaanan. Like, when it comes to skin, hindi siya ganito talaga before. Like, malala, malala, malala. One thing na nagpaano sa akin, nagpa-calm down or nagpa-ease ng skin ko, like, actually, hindi, when I say skin, let's talk about acne muna pala. Kasi like, yung acne ko, yun talaga yung pinaka-insecurity ko. Kasi yun yung nakikita ng tao and malala. Dito talaga sa face. But the worst part is, meron din sa likod. Actually, yeah, sa likod, ganun. And chest before. Pero now, wala sa chest ko. Sa back ko, medyo paunti-unti. But in my face, grabe din. But I'm so thankful as of now because nakakaya niya yung mga drugstore, ano ito yung mga drugstore skincares ngayon dito sa US. That's why I'm thankful for. Kasi nung nasa Pilas ako, parang hindi ngayon nakakaya. Kaya kailangan talaga magpunta ako ng derma just to get my skincares. And it works. Yeah, it works until now. But the main problem here is my nose as of now. I'm so irritated with my nose. My doctor said I have a nasal keloids, she said, and then it cost toot, 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 5 digit to fix it. But I hope when I go back to the Philippines, I hope it will be fixed. So the next one about my skin is of course, the uneven skin tone. I don't know. Ba't pa ako kasi naging English? But yung mga may team na parts or like, ano bang term doon? I forgot the term for it. But yeah, I also have those like in my singit. I don't know. I think it's balat, not the irritation or the friction. That's why parang maitim yung singit ko because I believe parang since bata talaga ako meron na siya or like sa mga baby pictures ko meron na talaga siya. Kaya gusto ko talaga rin siyang ipaano. But soon if may pera na, of course. Next one, yung hairline. I think kahit sabihin natin as you can see, ang taas ng hairline ko, but I can still, manage to hairstyle my hair. Hindi naman siya yung hair ko is mapapanot, which is I'm thankful for. I still, maganda pa rin naman yung aura ko if like, ay sorry. maganda pa rin yung aura ko for me, or maganda pa rin yung hair ko if ayusin ko talaga siya. Maganda pa rin yung proportion niya with my hairline, which is I'm thankful for. That's why. Let's also talk about forehead na yun nga, malaki siya. And you know what, girlies? First na nagka-pimples ata ako, ay hindi, ilong pala ako nag-first nagka-pimples. Tapos tumaas siya. And then, the rest na. So, yeah. I'm so sorry na tatamaan ko yung mic. And the second one, the next one is, parang hindi siya second one. The next one is my feet. Oh my God, really hate my feet. I think it's gene. It's in our gene. Tama ba? It's in our blood line. Sorry. Parang hindi lang ako, pati yung mga kuya ko, yung mga pinsan ko, we're having the same problem na we have this odor in our feet, like legit. And then we're trying, yeah, we're trying to, of course, look for it. But nag-work naman yung mga powders and all that. Pero pag nakalimutan mo talaga, girlies, I could never. Char. And my biggest, not totally my biggest insecurity kasi parang when it comes to this um frame naman, okay lang naman. Pero pag nag-invert na, parang, which is yung mga nakikita ng tao, which is parang common naman na siyang problem nating lahat. Nating lahat. Hindi may mga perfect na tao eh. Sana all. Pero like, most of us are having asymmetry body, which is normal, girlies. Okay, it's normal. Having asymmetry face, having asymmetry body, kasi it's really normal. Hmm? Pero that's one of my insecurity also, especially taking photos talaga, grabe. Kaya may mga kaya nga 'di ba, may mga tao na, "Oh, this is my side." Gano'n. Gano'n sila kasi do'n sila maganda, gano'n. Kaya naka-side view lang sila. Pero but as someone na parang alam mo 'yun, always check on my features. Parang gusto kong maging symmetry kahit once. Pero like may mga times talaga na I think delusional na ako sa part na, girl, ang tawag nito, anong tawag nito? Yung mga time na delusional na ako na, oh, 'di ba, symmetry ako. Symmetry ako, gano'n. Pero yeah, that's one also of my ano. Why I am telling you this one because uh I want to spread um is it part of body positivity? Yeah, I think it's part of body positivity to have these insecurities in your, body. But may but yeah, I just want to share some of mine kasi for sure you also have your own insecurities and that's okay. It's up to you how you handle your insecurities and how you handle yourself, to be honest. How you take care of yourself, to be honest. Kasi yung amin naman, it's like, it's amin or sa akin, it's most of it's from my genes. Kaya I'm having these insecurities, but I'm not gonna blame my genes. Kinda, but I'm not gonna totally blame it. Kasi nga, we still have ways now how to correct them, how to, but as of now, but not everyone is fortunate enough to do so. I know that, and I'm one of them. Hindi naman porket gusto ko 'to ma-achieve ko na. But yeah, girlies, I'm just wanna spread, um, what you call this? I just wanna spread love, or like I just wanna spread, mm, what's the term for it? But yeah, just wanna spread body positivity because you know what, girls, I went also there. So yeah. So for our next episode, I think we will gonna talk about childhood memos. Of course, my childhood memories. So I'm so excited to tell you some of my favorite childhood memories. And yeah, girlies, that's for all the pod. I am Joser, and this is Make It Happen, girly. Bye. Mwah. Oh, I still have time, I think. But yeah, girlies. At the end of the day, it's your body. It's your rule. Yeah. Love yourself. You're gonna love ourselves. If you're not gonna love yourself, find someone else to love it. No, I'm kidding. You need to love yourself first, okay? So yeah, girlies, yun na lang ma'am. Bye.